Chill in nature's company with portable coolers, the ultimate companions for camping and outdoor excursions. Engineered to keep your refreshments icy fresh, these coolers offer a blend of functionality and mobility. From picnics to wilderness adventures, they ensure your drinks and food stay cool, letting you savor every moment. Experience the delight of chilled treats amid the serenity of the outdoors, courtesy of these reliable and portable cooling solutions. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 10. Igloo 34231 Trailmate Marine Wheeled Cooler. A rugged and versatile companion for your outdoor adventures. Crafted by Igloo, a trusted name in cooler innovation, this cooler redefines convenience and durability on the go. With its innovative design and robust features, it offers a reliable solution for keeping your refreshments chilled. The Trailmate Marine Cooler boasts a large capacity, capable of holding all your essentials. Its durable construction is built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, while the oversized wheels and telescoping handle make transport effortless. The elevated design keeps contents off the ground and away from dirt. Whether for camping trips, beach outings, or tailgate parties, the Igloo Trailmate Marine Wheeled Cooler is an essential gear that enhances your outdoor experience. Number 9. IceMule Pro Insulated Backpack Cooler Bag. A game changer for keeping your beverages and snacks ice cold while on the move. Crafted by IceMule, a brand known for innovative cooler solutions, this backpack cooler redefines convenience and portability. With its advanced insulation technology and versatile design, it offers a reliable solution for all your outdoor adventures. The IceMule Pro features a unique roll-top closure system that ensures a watertight seal and easy access to contents. The high-performance Muleskin T-Dem fabric is both tough and waterproof, while the polar layered insulation keeps items cold for hours. The backpack straps provide comfortable carry, and the multiple sizes cater to your needs. Whether for hiking, picnics, or beach trips, the IceMule Pro Insulated Backpack Cooler Bag is an essential gear that adds a new level of refreshment to your outings. Number 8. Cabela's Polar Cap Equalizer Coolers. The ultimate solution for keeping your provisions cold and fresh during your outdoor endeavors. Crafted by Cabela's, a trusted name in outdoor gear, these coolers redefine performance and convenience. With their cutting-edge design and advanced features, they offer a dependable solution for all your cooling needs. The Polar Cap Equalizer coolers feature innovative pressure release valves that make opening them a breeze, even after temperature changes. The rugged construction and insulated walls ensure maximum ice retention, keeping contents chilled for days. Whether for camping trips, fishing excursions, or backyard gatherings, Cabela's Polar Cap Equalizer coolers are essential gear that enhance your outdoor experience. Number 7. Maelstrom Collapsible Soft-Sided Cooler. A versatile and space-saving solution for keeping your drinks and snacks cold on the go. Crafted by Maelstrom, a brand known for innovative cooler designs, this cooler redefines portability and convenience. With its collapsible design and thoughtful features, it offers a reliable solution for a variety of cooling needs. The Maelstrom Collapsible Cooler features a sturdy yet flexible construction that folds down for easy storage when not in use. The high-density insulation ensures efficient temperature retention, while the leak-resistant lining prevents messes. Whether for picnics, road trips, or tailgate parties, the Maelstrom Collapsible Soft-Sided Cooler is essential gear that adds functionality and efficiency to your outdoor adventures. Number 6. Igloo Heavy Duty 25 Kit BMX Ice Chest Cooler with Cool. Your durable and reliable companion for all your outdoor cooling needs. Crafted by Igloo, a renowned cooler brand, this cooler redefines toughness and performance in challenging environments. With its rugged construction and innovative features, it offers a dependable solution for keeping your refreshments cold. The Igloo BMX Cooler is designed with heavy-duty materials that can withstand tough conditions, while the Cool Riser technology elevates the cooler from hot surfaces to enhance ice retention. The spacious interior and convenient carrying handles make it a perfect fit for your outdoor adventures. Whether for camping trips, fishing excursions, or backyard barbecues, the Igloo Heavy Duty 25 Kit BMX Ice Chest Cooler is essential gear that ensures your items stay cool and fresh. Number 5. East Oak 45 QT Cooler. A robust and versatile solution for keeping your provisions cold and fresh during your outdoor escapades. Crafted by East Oak, this cooler redefines durability and performance in the great outdoors. With its sturdy build and thoughtful features, it offers a reliable solution for all your cooling needs. The East Oak 45 QT Cooler boasts a spacious interior that can accommodate ample supplies, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgate parties, and more. The high-density insulation ensures excellent ice retention, while the rugged construction can withstand rugged terrains. The integrated handles and secure latches make transportation effortless. Whether for outdoor adventures or backyard gatherings, the East Oak 45 QT Cooler is essential gear that elevates your outdoor experience. Embrace the perfect blend of toughness and efficiency with this cooler that transforms any outing into a cool and enjoyable adventure. Number 4. Yeti Ridicooler. The epitome of durability and performance in the world of coolers. Crafted by Yeti, a brand synonymous with rugged outdoor gear, this cooler redefines the boundaries of toughness and innovation. With its cutting-edge design and uncompromising features, it offers a reliable solution for all your cooling needs. The Yeti Ridicooler boasts an ultra-durable construction that can endure the harshest conditions, making it the go-to choice for extreme outdoor adventures. The advanced insulation technology ensures unparalleled ice retention, while the spacious interior accommodates ample supplies. The heavy-duty latches and sturdy handles make transportation effortless. Whether for hunting expeditions, camping trips, or fishing escapades, the Yeti Ridicooler is essential gear that enhances your outdoor experience. Embrace the perfect blend of ruggedness and efficiency with this cooler that transforms every outing into an extraordinary adventure. Number 3. Kelty Folding Cooler. A versatile and convenient solution for keeping your refreshments chilled during your outdoor ventures. Crafted by Kelty, a trusted name in outdoor gear, this cooler redefines portability and functionality. With its innovative design and thoughtful features, it offers a reliable solution for your cooling needs. The Kelty Folding Cooler features a collapsible construction that easily folds down for compact storage when not in use. The insulated walls ensure efficient temperature retention, while the zippered lid provides easy access to your contents. The adjustable shoulder strap and padded carry handles enhance convenience during transportation. Whether for picnics, beach trips, or backyard gatherings, the Kelty Folding Cooler is essential gear that adds efficiency and enjoyment to your outdoor experience. Embrace the perfect blend of convenience and practicality with this cooler that transforms any outing into a refreshing and delightful adventure. Number 2. RovR Wheeled Camping Rolling Cooler with Wheels. A game-changing solution for keeping your provisions chilled and accessible while on the move. Crafted by RovR, a brand known for innovative outdoor gear, this cooler redefines convenience and portability. With its advanced design and versatile features, it offers a dependable solution for all your outdoor adventures. The RovR Rolling Cooler features rugged wheels that tackle any terrain, ensuring easy transportation. The durable construction and high-performance insulation maintain contents cold for extended periods. With thoughtful additions like built-in cup holders, cutting board, and dry bin, it becomes an all-in-one outdoor kitchen. Whether for camping, tailgating, or beach days, the RovR Wheeled Camping Rolling Cooler is essential gear that elevates your outdoor experience. Embrace the perfect blend of functionality and style with this cooler that transforms any outing into a convenient and enjoyable journey. Number 1. Igloo Latitude 50. A reliable and spacious solution for keeping your refreshments chilled during your outdoor escapades. Crafted by Igloo, a renowned cooler brand, this cooler redefines performance and durability. With its generous capacity and thoughtful features, it offers a dependable solution for all your cooling needs. The Igloo Latitude 50 cooler features a rugged design that can withstand tough conditions, making it ideal for camping trips, picnics, and gatherings. The advanced insulation technology ensures effective temperature retention, while the sturdy latches secure the contents. With convenient handles for easy carrying, it's a versatile companion for your adventures. Whether for outdoor excursions or backyard parties, the Igloo Latitude 50 cooler is essential gear that guarantees your items stay cool and fresh.